Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to swap a Bitcoin to Ethereum in Trust Wallet. First thing I want you to do is just launch up your Trust Wallet, come to the bottom, click on swap, and then what I want you to do, make sure you've selected Bitcoin right here, the from section, and the to section, make sure you've selected Ethereum, and of course you need to also select the correct network because Ethereum also has a lot of different networks as well. So you choose your network as Ethereum, you choose your token as well, which will be Ethereum. So Ethereum token, Ethereum network. Okay, depending on what you're using, make sure you select the correct one, otherwise your funds will be lost. Okay, so we're swapping this. You enter the amount for Bitcoin, then to your Ethereum, and then go ahead and swap it out. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.